Hello everybody. Now I have to teach you how to use the tool vocaroo. vocaroo.com. So there is the tool, so you can click here and save your voice. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Hi, how are you? Okay, you click in order to stop the recording, and so you have to wait in order to listen in your voice if that's good or that is bad. Listen. Hello everybody. Hi, how are you? Here, if that is bad, you can give here in order to save again. If not, you can save and share. Here you can use the login. Yes, you can share in Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, email, or you can copy the link. Yes, you can copy the link. Okay, or maybe you can download.